Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem codes in Garena Free Fire Max. To redeem codes in Garena Free Fire Max, first of all, you will need to go to the redemption website since you cannot redeem codes directly within the app. So go ahead and open up any web browser on your device and in the URL box, type in reward.ff.garena.com. Make a search for that, and then once you get to this rewards redemption site, you will be asked first to log in. Select one of the login options provided on the page. Make sure to choose the same option that you used while signing in to Free Fire Max on your application as well, and once you are in this redemption page, type down your redemption code in the text box. After writing down your code, click on confirm, and the website will process your request. If the code is valid, the reward will be credited to your Free Fire Max account within a few minutes. You will be able to find the items in your in-game mailbox after redemption. So that is how you easily redeem codes in Free Fire Max. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials from Free Fire Max. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.